Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the basics, an API key and a project folder. First, create a secure environment file and add the key there. This keeps secrets out of public code. Next, choose your client, fetch for simple calls or Axios for convenience, then scaffold a small request function. Once done, test with a single get to a safe endpoint so you verify connectivity. Make sure to read rate limits. You will avoid blocking and understand expected latency. Now you implement the core flow. An async function that composes headers includes the API key from env and sends JSON. You await the response, check status codes, and parse JSON only on success. Otherwise, throw a meaningful error. If the API requires auth tokens, implement refresh logic. Once this works locally, wire the function into your UI event on click or on load and show a loading state. Make sure to debounce frequent calls, finish by polishing, validate inputs client-side, show clear error messages, and implement retry with exponential backoff for transient failures. Deploy a server proxy if you must hide the key, and enable basic caching to reduce costs. Once live, monitor logs and metrics to catch 401 or 429 errors early. If something goes wrong, first reproduce the request with the same headers and body, then inspect response codes and message. This usually reveals auth, rate limit, or payload issues you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.